Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, oh my god, I just tried the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne collection and their highlighter is like so good. You can see how it's popping. I'm gonna edit that as soon as I'm done editing this video, so it should be up really soon, but this is just like phenomenal, so I'm really excited about that. But my Boxycharm is here and the people in my building love to put stickers on the box, so it's not that cute to show off, but let's just go ahead and get right into the unboxing. Oh my god, I already saw something good. Alright, so the theme of this month is Rock 2018. You know, I'm all about that punk look, so I'm really excited for that. And after a little bit of a disappointing run, I think that they picked it back up because, oh my god, I recommend this brow pencil to everyone. I've been using it forever. This is the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil, and I literally have my personal one right here that I've been using forever. There's like makeup all over it. I always repurchase it, and this is like the best brow pencil because it literally is universal. I use it no matter what color my hair is. I've used it on blondes. For some reason, it just looks good on everyone. So if you want your brows on fleek, I recommend this brow pencil. And if you are signed up for Boxycharm, then congratulations, because this brow pencil will change your life and your brows will be on fleek for 2018. This is the second thing in the box. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I've never heard of this product. I know I love the Pores No More Primer. I love the actual Pores No More exfoliant, and I think I actually got both of them in my Boxycharm. So they do work with Dr. Brandt frequently, which is good because they're like a really high-end brand for skincare. I'm really excited to try this, and of course I'll be reviewing everything later on my channel. Next is a matte lip paint from Galactic Beauty, and this packaging is super cute, by the way. I love that they always give you a good nude. Like, this is like a really nice brown nude. I think it's matte because the tube is matte, and I just like don't like it when they send you like crazy colors. I would never wear like a green lipstick or anything. You never know with subscription boxes, but with Boxycharm, they're always consistent about giving you something that you're actually gonna wear, you know, like wearable products. Okay, so next is a eyeshadow palette from Crown Pro. This is the Glam Metals palette. Oh my god, this is so cute. So these are all metallics except for Black Metal. I think that is a matte, but all of these are really nice metallics that you can use to create some crazy fun looks. And the last thing in the box is a Bronze and Brighten palette from Pure Cosmetics. And I just realized that there's like pigment everywhere, and unfortunately, oh my god, my palette came crushed. That is so sad because that color looks so pretty. Oh my god, no. The highlights look really, really good. I mean, they're super buttery. I literally just dipped my finger in and that's what I got. Obviously, that's why it broke. I really want to try this peach color because I think that's going to be really pretty. So I'm going to write to Boxycharm and see if they can send a replacement for me, and I'll keep you posted on what happens there. But that was the last thing in my box. So now that Boxycharm is sending out different things in the boxes, I would love to know what you got in your box. So go ahead and comment down below and let me know if we got the same thing or if we got different things, or how you feel about Boxycharm in general. And if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below where you can learn more about how to sign up and pricing and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.